How to change your default browser on a Mac. If you want your links to open in Chrome, Firefox, Arc or any other browser than Safari, you can switch it in just few seconds. It's simple setting that controls which browser opens every link on your Mac, and here's how to change it. Firstly, we want to navigate to our system settings of our Mac, okay? After that, we want to go to desktop and dock. And from this menu, we want to scroll till we see widgets. And here you can also see the default web browser. So you just have to simply click on it and it's going to show you all your installed browser on your Mac and you can switch from them. So currently I have only Safari and Chrome. So if I want to switch to Safari, I can switch to Safari and I'm going to click on it. Or Chrome, I'm going to click on it again. And this is basically how you can switch your default browser on your Mac. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.